Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Lucy's English and IELTS. Let's learn degrees of adjective in English. Many students make mistakes with words like good, better, and best. But don't worry. Today you will understand it in just a few minutes. There are 3 degrees of adjective: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. First, let's start with positive degree. The positive degree is used to describe one thing or one person. There is no comparison. Positive degree te কোনো কিছুর সাথে compare করা হয় না. The basic structure is subject plus am, is, are, was, were plus adjective. For example, the house is big, the weather is beautiful. Here, we are only describing something. We are not comparing it with anything else. Now, sometimes we want to say two things are equal. In that case, we use positive degree with as structure. And the structure is subject plus be verb, am, is, are, was, were, plus as, plus adjective, plus as, plus object. For example, she is as tall as her sister. The road is as wide as that one. Here, both things are equal in quality. Next comes the comparative degree. The comparative degree is used to compare two things. Comparative degree te দুটো জিনিসের মধ্যে তুলনা করা হয়. And the structure is subject plus verb. Here we use be verb like am, is, are, was, were, plus adjective with er or more plus adjective, plus then, plus object. For example, she is taller than her sister. The task is more difficult than task 1. Now, let's look at 2 important rules. Rule number 1. If the adjective is short, usually one syllable. If the word is short, usually one syllable, we add er after the word. For example, Ali is older than Rohim. Rule number 2. If the adjective is long, usually 2 or more syllables, we use more before the word. For example, English is more difficult than Bangla. Finally, we have the superlative degree. The superlative degree is used when we compare 3 or more things. Superlative ডিগ্রিটা যখন আমরা কম্পেয়ার করব তখন 3 বা 3 এর অধিক সংখ্যক জিনিস বা মানুষের মধ্যে কম্পারিজন করা হয়. And the structure is subject plus be verb, am, is, are, was, were, plus the, plus superlative adjective. Superlative degree structure এ দা বাদ দিলে সেন্টেন্স ইনকারেক্ট হয়ে যাবে. ফর এক্সাম্পল, she is the tallest girl in the class. This is the most beautiful place in the city. And remember, some adjectives are irregular. For example, good, better, best, bad, worst, far, further, furthest. That's how degrees of adjective work in English. Keep practicing and your English will get better and better every day. If you want English grammar clarity like this every day, follow Lucy's English and IELTS. Let's make your English better. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for the upcoming videos.